Hello, health enthusiasts and culinary adventurers. Welcome back to Total Wellness TV, your go-to channel for nourishing your body and soul. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join our community of wellness seekers. As the winter chill sets in, there's nothing more comforting than a warm, hearty meal. But comfort food doesn't have to mean unhealthy choices. Today, we're diving into the world of high-fiber dinners that not only warm you up but also fuel your body with essential nutrients. First up on our list is a classic with a twist: quinoa and roasted vegetable bake. Packed with fiber-rich quinoa and a medley of winter vegetables, this dish is a perfect start to a cozy evening. Next, we have the hearty lentil and mushroom stew. Lentils are a fantastic source of fiber, and when combined with earthy mushrooms and aromatic herbs, they create a winter stew that's both delicious and nutritious. Moving on, let's talk about spicy black bean chili. This dish is not just about warmth, it's about flavor. Black beans are an excellent source of fiber and protein, making this chili a fulfilling meal for those cold nights. Our fourth recipe is whole wheat pasta primavera. This dish brings a burst of color and fiber to your dinner table, with whole wheat pasta and a variety of fresh vegetables. Last but not least, sweet potato and chickpea curry. This dish combines the natural sweetness of sweet potatoes with the robust flavors of chickpeas and spices, creating a heartwarming meal that's both high in fiber and taste. There you have it, folks, 5 delectable high-fiber dinner recipes to fuel your winter nights. These dishes are not just about taste. They're about embracing a healthier lifestyle without compromising on flavor. Try them out, and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Remember, your journey to total wellness starts with what you put on your plate. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us here at Total Wellness TV. Stay healthy, stay happy, and as always, thanks for watching.